Hello, friends. We are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens from the week of the 26th right till May the 2nd. We have a bit of April and a bit of May in this month and a whole lot of paper deals. And we got some high value coupons, digital coupons also, that's making a lot of this stuff spectacular deals this week. Now, just pressing a pause on Walgreens for a second. Over at the Dollar General, starting on the May the 1st, which is Friday, right till the 7th. There is some tremendous paper deals, including this huge pack for $5.55 with that $3 digital coupon. And then also the Bounty, I believe this is a 12 or 14 pack for $6.45 with the $3 digital. If you want the rundown on the best deals, including a lot of paper, I know a lot of us are really trying to stock up on this. I will link this video at the very end. Worth checking out. I think there's like 7 deals that are 25 cents. So even if you're a really big Walgreens shoppers, you might want to come to Dollar General this weekend for some of these deals. Okay, let's get right into these deals. The first one, we're doing curbside over at Walgreens. And what curbside means is you're ordering this stuff through the app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, putting in your order, paying for it, driving to the store. Boom, that is your curbside pickup. So with the online deals this week, we have this little discount code of Spring 15 when you spend $35 or more, and then Spring 20 when you're spending $50 or more. So this will come into play really quickly. There are 2 types of paper products that are attaching with that $1.50 Walgreens coupon. We have the paper towel and this toilet paper that's $5. So I threw 7 of them into a cart for exactly $35. Now, if you do not want to get this much toilet paper, if you want to get like 4 paper towels and 3 toilet papers, you can also break it up that way. And hopefully your store doesn't have very large restrictions yet. I'm just showing you the discount code of Spring 15 is taking $3.71 off right there, plus that Walgreens coupon of $1.50 off, taking $10.50 off. So you can see doing this curbside how advantageous it is. The overall total is $35. After both of those savings we just discussed in the last slide, $14.21 melting off. We have a little bit of tax, so $22.04. I personally would use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.04 and get to the store sooner than later, because you can only imagine 7 units of paper is probably going to take a little bit of space. Just to be courteous to the staff, put your order in, try and get there soon to pick it up. But this is a really great stock up price. The rest of the deals we're doing in store. And this one's really interesting. It's a 9 equals 36 on the Charmin for $11.99. When you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward. Now, I believe we have a $5 and a $1 digital. So if you wanted to grab 2 of these, you'd load the $5 and the $1 digital. Alternatively, there's also a Bounty dollar digital coupon for a larger bag of that. So you might load that $1 digital and grab that, and it's for this one. Unfortunately, my store did not have any of this left, so I couldn't even photograph it, but it's this 6 equals 12 at $11.99. And this is that Charmin coupon I was talking about. It's really unique, so load it. So we have this, and then we also have a $1 digital that's attaching, or alternatively this $1 for the Bounty paper towels if you wanted to get 1 toilet paper and 1 paper towel. So looking at the overall total for this, 2 of these items at $11.99 a pop is $23.98. Subtracting a $5 and a $1, that's $6 coming off. Pay $17.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $13.98 for the 2 or $6.99 per bag of paper. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. None of us have a digital booster this week. We only have maybe a paper booster if you're so lucky. If you wanted to use register rewards from other deals such as Colgate, Dove, whatever, to get a lesser out of pocket, I would, because this is a little bit out of pocket at $17.98, unless you have a huge amount of Walgreens cash that you want to throw into the mix. Moving it along to deal number 3. For this one, this is interesting. It's a 12 equals 48. I think it's like $15.99. There's a dollar digital, so it'd make it $14.99. And then you get a free air freshener. You don't have to load a coupon for that. It's just a free item. There's a dollar digital with that toilet paper. It just doesn't make it a really good deal for that little room refresher. But by chance, if you really wanted to do this deal, or if you had like register rewards burning a hole in your pocket, this possibly could be something for you. Deal number 4. This one's not bad. It's these 2 equals 4, which is the Bounty Essential, which is the lower tier line. It's not the green ones. It's this one. I still think it's a great paper towel, and it even says it on there, great deal on it. So you know you're getting a great deal. So grabbing 2 of these this week, they're going to be $3.99, and then you get a $2 register reward when you buy 2. Make sure that you ask the cashier that the machine is on printing those coupons, or listen for it if there's customers ahead of you. Or when you walk in the store, do you see customers getting register rewards? Just really pay attention, but always asking sometimes helps. So 2 of these would be $7.98. You would pay that. If you have register rewards, throw it into the mix. Getting back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you have other register rewards, say from the various Colgate deals this week or the Dove deal, I would throw those in to get a lesser out of pocket. And remember, you don't want to, if you have like, $10 in register rewards, you would be short for this, but a $5 one would be perfect. Just so you're not feeling that all with Walgreens cash. The final deal that we're looking at is a little bit of this and a little bit of that. We have the Bounty 2 equals 6 triple. These are very thick rolls for $6.99. We have a dollar digital that's attaching to that friend. And then the puffs also at $6.99, and we have a $3 digital for that. To give you guys eyes on the coupons, this is what they look like. That is $4 in digital coupons. The promotion with this week is that when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $3 register reward. And make sure that your items are in fact tagged when you are in the store. You don't want to be grabbing anything because sometimes register rewards don't print. But grabbing one of the puffs and one of the bounties for $13.98, subtracting $4 in digital coupons, you'll pay $9.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. And those puffs, that's quite a few boxes you're getting in that, so that's a really good deal. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Why not? You probably can use the full 10, but if you might have a $5 register reward, say from Colgate, $5 register reward, and then $5 in Walgreens cash, probably the best balance of the 2. My Dollar General video is linked right here. Go and show it some love, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.